Alright, I just rebuilt my UMX Micro Beast from the ground up, and I don't have the stickers on it yet, but here's my maiden flight. 5043 prop. I'm gonna put Turnigy Nanotex to it first. I messed up Glenn's splitter, so I ended up making one of my own until I can get another one, just so I could get the beast in the air. Hopefully she flies true. We shall see in a moment. The wind is pretty light today. Hopefully if I built her right, she should fly true. So I'm going to need just a touch of right aileron trim. A little bit of right rudder. That's going to be pretty close. Now let's see how she goes. I'm on high rates on everything except the ailerons right now. I just want to get a feel for it again. I haven't flown this thing in a long time. Alright, let's have some high rates. Amazing how crisp it is since all the other repairs I made on it before. It's got some crazy snap to it now. See if we can get a little. Oh, and there's the first crash of the beast. Sorry, little beast. And away you go.